The 2024 TOPS Antique Awards, together with our parents, class advisors, and school heads. Elementary level, Reverend Aliyah B. Probonga from Lacayo Elementary School. Mario Jaime G. Celes from Alilii Central School. Silage Pauline E. Cortejo from Sibalog Central Elementary School. Cristel M. Erecte from Sibalog Central Elementary School. Samantha Marie H. Fortaleza from Antique Integrated School. General F. Melacano from Calamitan Elementary School. Ellery L. Montaño from St. Anthony's College, Grade School. Sean Aiden R. Mosquero from Alilii Central School. Jamea Irene A. Nabala from St. Anthony's College, Grade School. Monica Suzette A. Paredes from San Roque Elementary School. Secondary level, Mark Andrew M. Bautista from Libertad National Vocational School. Arwin C. Dier from St. Anthony's College High School. Ben S. Elisa from Esposo Rios National High School. Joseph Benedict H. Espia from St. Joseph Academy Incorporated. Mauricio Tadeos T. Petiza from Libertad National Vocational School. Janelle Faye F. Gallego from Antique Vocational School. Christian B. Lagunda from Dilison National School. Julia Eliza R. Ulao from Antique Vocational School. Maria Angelica H. Santo from Antique National School. Regina Carla Jane D. Sumuga from University of Antique, Taluin Memorial Campus, Laboratory High School. The top Antique Sellers of Excellence. Elementary level, Sibalong Central Elementary School. Secondary level, Belison National School. The 2024 Tungganon ng Antiqueño Award, Mr. Alex De Los Santos. The host municipality of the 19th TOPS Antique Awarding Ceremony, the local government unit of Libertad Antique, represented by the Sangguniang Bayan members, together with the DepEd Libertad District, headed by the District Supervisor, Mrs. Miriam Yumin Labado, together with the school heads and other invited guests.